Welcome to Sherries Estates. Today we are going to talk about some nice herbs finely selected from Il Giardino delle Meraviglie. These have been selected from all over the Mediterranean region. This is mint. It's a very versatile plant. It can grow easily outside, both in the hot and the cold weather, and it has many uses for sauces, mojitos, and many other salads. And now we have chives. To better keep the good quality of chives, it is important to keep the soil moist. We can use chives with a lot of soups, salads, and other dishes. Chives can be used fresh or it can be stored in jars for later use. This is sage. It is mostly grown in areas where there is not too much sun or too much wind. The trick to have more leaves is to cut the flower as soon as it appears. This is the bay leaf. It is an evergreen plant and it goes very well in every garden. The leaves of the bay leaf make a great ingredient for local dishes. This is thyme. It is a hardy plant and it doesn't need special care. Whether planted in a pot or in a garden, make sure you keep it moist so it will grow into a better bush. Rosemary is one of my favorites and it makes an excellent ingredient. Not only that, but the scent also repels insects. As with all herbs, make sure the right soil is used and that the pot allows the water to seep through. Parsley can last up to 3 years if well taken care of. It's wonderful as a fresh ingredient. Just cut it by the stem. You've probably heard that basil is a super ingredient. But did you know that it can also help with stomach aches, colds and headaches? As with sage, cut the flowers when they appear to have more leaves. All these wonderful herbs from Il Giardino delle Meraviglie are available from Sherries Estates, along with much more. Come and visit us from Monday to Friday from 9 till 7 and on weekends and public holidays from 9 till 6.